और हमारी कंपनी एग्रीप्लस्ट हाइफा नॉर्थ इंडिया में अपना काम स्टार्ट करने जा रहा है। हाइफा के बारे में बता दूं आप लोगों को कि 60 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है, इजराइल की कंपनी है और 60 इयर्स के एक्सपीरियंस में तो बहुत सारा नॉलेज जो उनके पास है फर्टिगेशन मैनेजमेंट का, क्योंकि फार्मर स्ट्रक्चर भी अच्छा लगा लेता है, सब कुछ कर लेता है, लेकिन फर्टिगेशन में चूक कर देता है और बहुत सारी ऐसी गलतियां हैं जो वो करता है उसे पता भी नहीं है। ये सब्जेक्ट बहुत बड़ा है, तो हम आपको बेसिक 2-2.5 घंटे में जो बता सकते हैं वो बताएंगे और ये एक गेटवे खुल जाएगा आपके फार्म्स को, आपके पॉली हाउसेस को सक्सेस करने के लिए, क्योंकि जहां तक मैं जान रहा हूं इसी फार्म पे लगभग 100+ एकड़ का फार्मिंग होने जा रहा है पॉली हाउसेस में। तो मैं हैंड ओवर कर रहा हूं एवियल को, पहला सेशन उनका है। He will guide you and once he is finished and if you feel कि something is important, सचिन जी will translate in हिंदी, ठीक है। फिर सचिन जी का सेशन है और फिर आपको हम न्यूट्रिएंट जो उनका सॉफ्टवेयर है उससे हम लोग बता देंगे एंड देन यहाँ से आपका जर्नी शुरू हो जाएगा जो इनका नॉलेज है। Aviel, thank you for coming and please take it over.
Thank you, Agi Fest. First of all, good afternoon. I'm very pleased to be here in India. And thank you for AgriFirst for inviting me. That was
AgriPlast.
AgriPlast. AgriFirst. Okay, and AgriPlast also. So I'll say a few words about Haifa, a little bit, a brief to understand who is Haifa Group and how everything started and where we are today. So Haifa was established 60 years ago when drip irrigation, Netafim, invented the drip irrigation. Haifa brought the potassium nitrate, the first company to bring potassium nitrate from the lab into agriculture. Into agriculture, and together with Netafim, we established what we call today Fertigation. Until then, people were fertilized by topsoil or all kinds of other methods, but together with Netafim, we invented the fertigation technology where you bring the fertilizer through drip irrigation. So this was established together, 2 companies in the country of Israel. We are Haifa, our main specialty is the greenhouse industry. Every 3rd bag of fertilizer in greenhouse worldwide is a bag of Haifa Group. 30% of greenhouse worldwide. I'll say 50% of our business is greenhouses, 50% open field. Most of our business is in Europe, South America. We have also business in the East, but Europe is a big, big continent where they buy Haifa products because they are looking for quality and consistency. Okay, so they know when they have a Haifa product, they always get the same quality, same consistency, and this is very important. When you invest so much money in these Dutch greenhouses in the Netherlands, you need to be sure that you can get the potential of the yield. So this is Haifa in a few words. And today, my first presentation is just to give you a few points. I think a few important points about fertigation, how to do it right, maybe some mistakes some farmers do, and how to react to specific mistakes. So first of all, the foundation of fertigation is irrigation. Fertigation is fertilizing together with irrigation. If you don't irrigate correct, no matter how you fertilize, the nutrients won't be uptaken by the plants. Okay, so you can make your tank, you can make everything good, you can bring the nutrients to the plant, but as we talked in the greenhouse, if you do it the correct way, it doesn't matter. The nutrient can leach, maybe you're irrigating, over-irrigating, and then you have oxygen problem and the root cannot uptake because it's too saturated. So irrigation is very, very important. Okay, so if it's too dry, so the EC rises, and when the EC rises, the osmotic pressure rises. That means the plant it's harder for the plant to uptake water and nutrients together with it. If it's too wet, as I said, very low oxygen and the root are not active, cannot be active. We don't want fluctuation. We don't want dry, wet. We want to be stable all the time. Okay? So we want to be in the green zone right here. We don't want to play with the irrigation. If we under irrigate, you can see when we go down by water volume, then the farmer says maybe he see the plants is a little bit has difficulties, doesn't uptake. He will say, I'll fertilize more. And what happens? The EC suddenly rises, and then you make everything even worse, and the plant cannot uptake due to osmotic pressure. And usually what a grower sees, he sees the weak plants, then he assumes he has a deficiency, and then the ECA rises and then a crash. We don't want to get to this